So this is me flying my drone off the back of a moving ferry. The ferry's at full speed, the wind's ripping across the water, and now I gotta land this thing back on a boat that will not stop moving. I almost didn't get it back, but let me back up because none of this was supposed to happen today anyway. Alright, just a minute ago we decided to take the ferry. Now we're on the ferry, and it was like 1 minute we were asking for directions, and the next minute we're on the ferry, and the ferry's moving before I even could figure out how to park the motorcycle. That's how adventures work in the Philippines. So we came to Davao for a vitamin C drip, and that was the whole plan. And then I looked at the water and I said, you want to take the ferry? So the ferry runs 24/7, and we're on the ferry. The ferry's $140 per person. We don't have a room booked. We haven't eaten. We don't know about food or how things work, but the ferry runs 24/7, and God will provide. Wow, the water's beautiful. Look at the water. It's been months since I've been on a boat or seen the ocean, maybe 6 months, and it's just unbelievable, man. Operation, find something to eat, and find somewhere to stay. And this goes 24 hours. Worst case scenario, we don't find a place to stay and we have to come back and find somewhere in Davao. Wow. So we're on Samal Island, and now we're in a nice little restaurant, air conditioned, it's feeling good. And I have no idea where we're going or what we're gonna do. But this restaurant's nice, man. I'll show you a little bit of this place. It's a nice little, quaint little spot. Looks like they got some coffees and different things. Actually, they might have some vegetable options there. Maybe they got some vegan options, some snacks and whatnot, some delicious looking cakes for sure. So I don't know, we'll see what we can get. But it's a nice spot here. We haven't seen too much. We just got off the ferry. It looks like there's some floaty items and stuff for sale there. So maybe they got a beach there. I'm not sure. And it looks like another little carinderia over there. It didn't look active. And this place had aircon. So I was like, let's go sit in the aircon. So we're on an adventure. You never know where the adventure's gonna take you. I've got my special eating requirements, and they were accommodating with that. So she's bringing me a bowl and some hot water to get started with. So we'll see what Tropos are gonna order. What do you got ordering? What are you ordering? Thank you. It's hot?
No, sir.
Do you have any hot?
I'll just get hot.
Perfect. Thank you.
But it's in a bowl, sir. If it's okay.
Yeah, okay, it's perfect. It's perfect. Just like a little bit of spam. Yeah, I will make some mushroom rice. Thank you. I'm sure she's probably like, what the heck? Americans always got some kind of crazy requirements. But it's just what it is, man. I can't eat sugar, so. We're here. We're not going to go home today. So figured why not come to Samal. What's the big excitement? So apparently it's not just beaches. This is the line for the ferry. So you will wait maybe a couple hours. I don't know, an hour and a half. I'm not sure. Could be a while. There's a bat sanctuary. Obviously beaches. I thought about living on Samal Island. I don't want to be at sea level for tsunami avoidance. Got some nice stairs up there. The elevation here is fairly nice. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to look and see where these places are. Got the typical goat taking care of the lawn. Got some baka, some cows. Couple things we're looking for. Hot shower. Comfortable separate beds. And we'll see what else we can find. Let's see where we're going here. Let's first figure out, where are we? I'm on an island, guys. This is crazy. I was on an island before, but now I'm on a smaller island. Life in the Philippines. Well, now we found what looks to be like where the locals live, I'm guessing. Let's go back and we'll go up the other way. It goes back by all the resorts. Definitely some weather coming in. No question about it. So we got to find somewhere. We found a place, waited out the weather, and the next morning I woke up and I had to see more of this island. So it's the start of a new day. And we got up and we decided to take a little exploratory ride around the island. Now we're at basically the northeastern tip of Samal. I don't even know what this island is here across the way. I guess I could look at the map. But we ended up getting on this road. We were on a concrete road for a while. Turned into your typical local Philippines back road. It's actually not in too bad a shape. And there are just regular Filipinos living back here in what I would call paradise. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And so one thing I noticed that's different here is there's a lot of properties for sale and they're properly being advertised. There's a sign, it says this lot's for sale. There's a phone number, and that's really a different thing. Here's a stray dog, just your typical random stray dog here in the Philippines, just enjoying life. Hey, look at you. My daughter often feels sorry for the stray dogs. Like you can see, she's got some mange, some of her hair's gone, but I promise you in the West, this dog's living a better life than you are. The dog is free, the dog is eating, the weather's beautiful. These dogs have an amazing life a lot of the times. So But just look at the beauty of this place, man. I really, just being here again reminds me of how much I need some of this in my life. Good morning, good morning. And it's just wonderful. So we stopped off to just take a peek. There's many resorts, many beautiful private properties. I'm sure there's people from Davao coming over here with, vacation property. And it's just, I told Jopal, I need some of this in my life. I really do. Bukidnon is wonderful, but the ocean and the sun together does something amazing for your spirit, man. And I'm really thinking like, I need to find me a little property over here that I can build a camp and come here once in a while for a couple of weeks at a crack. I don't know. I've been saying that for a while. I'm still looking, still hunting, but the adventure continues. The adventure continues this way. I came over to see an island. I went home wanting to live on one. Some adventures you plan, the best ones just grab you and go. Hey Joe.